Hey guys, Chris here from Chuck's Trucks. Today we're talking about the Dial Dynamics Stage Series LED light bars. These things come in all different sizes from 6-inch, 12, 18, 30, 42, and 50-inch sizes. So these things are going to fit in a bumper for fog lights or 50-inch for your full-size trucks and Super Duties. And they've got unique features in them. One would be that this thing's got a super low profile mounting, which will make it fit a lot of places that no other LED light bar can. The 6-inch series, a pair of these, does meet SAE and DOT standards, making them street legal. They also use the newest technology in theirs, just like in your LED headlights. These things have advanced optics and high-intensity emitters, which is much better than the old school LED technology that a lot of the import companies are still using. And best of all, these things are made right here in Missouri, St. Louis in fact. So they are right down the road from us, which is great. As soon as we get these things installed on our SEMA show truck, we'll turn these things on and show you what they look like at night. Thanks for watching.